This is the universal method between all Android phones and the Windows PC. So in this way, you can move any document or any files, images, photos from mobile phone to laptop or from laptop to mobile phone easily. Firstly, click the link in the description and download the Quick Share application. After downloaded, just open it and install the Quick Share in your Windows PC. After installed, search for Quick Share application. Here it is. Open it. Now here is the quick share window. So firstly you need to enable the Bluetooth and also enable the Wi-Fi. Now in your smartphone, just select any photos, videos or documents. So once you selected, click on share option and here you can see the quick share option. Click on the quick share. Now here you can see it actually searching for the devices. Now in your PC, in the quick share application, under who can share with you, select this and click on everyone for 10 minutes. Now in the smartphone, you can see your computer. Click on the PC or laptop. Now in the PC, now you can see this dialog box. Just click on accept and that's it. Now you have received your image. In your phone, it shows it sent and you can directly open it here by clicking on the open. So here is that particular file we sent from mobile phone. And similarly, if you want to send any other files from PC, laptop to phone means, so here is the option drag files or folders to send, or here click on select the files. So just to select any file, I am sending this exe file now. Click on open, looking for nearby devices. Now in your smartphone, you have to select your account. Now here you can see who can share with you. Here select this and here select everyone for 10 minutes. Once you selected this option, now in your Windows PC or laptop, you can see the phone. Just to select the phone. Now in your smartphone, it shows a window. Click on accept and that's it. You are received. Now just click on view downloads. Now here is that quick share setup exe file. Hopefully if you like this video, hit the like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.